Hi everyone, my name is Mimi Fallhaber and I'm the Education Team Leader for the Suncoast Science Center's Student Community Innovation Program, or SCIP. This summer, students in the program worked to develop an educational website about COVID-19, aiming to teach elementary age students about the virus and what they can do to protect themselves. Our team consists of current high school students, recent high school grads, and college students from Sarasota County. This team was formed this summer by students who are passionate about their community and eager to make a difference. We are super proud of what we've accomplished and are extremely excited to be sharing our work with you all, and hopefully many other students. So just to begin, I'm going to walk you guys through the website and show you how everything works. So on the top, there's a tab for navigation. So first there's the parents page. On this page, there's a lot of information, mainly for parents. So there's a checklist for returning schools, lesson resources, and relevant links to information about Sarasota County schools and other COVID-19 resources. The main function of the website can be accessed through the lesson tab. So in these lessons, there are 3 units, or as we call them, chapters. The first chapter explains what COVID-19 is and how it's impacted kids and families. The second chapter discusses how kids can protect themselves and others through hand washing, social distancing, and wearing masks. The final chapter discusses more broad topics about disease, such as the difference between bacteria and viruses, and how to prevent the spread of disease in general. To begin, users will have to make an account using their email address and choose a name and username for the site. I'll just log in really quick here, make a new account. Once they have logged in, they will need to hit the Begin Course button to enroll in the course, and finally hit Start Lesson to begin learning. Each lesson consists of a series of slides telling the story of a boy named Jacob and his toy nerd Arthur. Students will hear the voiceover of the text on screen as they progress through the story. Through Arthur, Jacob learns important facts about COVID-19 and school reopening. There are also quick quiz questions scattered throughout the lessons, as well as a longer quiz at the end of the lesson called the Battle. These quizzes are 3 to 5 questions long and allow students to see their answers as well as retake the quiz. We sincerely hope that COVIDucation can teach students a lot and that the site can be used as a resource for students throughout the county. Thank you so much for your time.